he is going to show you how we do it.
Okay.
So let me put with the help of first block outline, then he will let you know with the different colors.
I'm going to come around this side. That's a separate, a new block?
This is the second block.
Beautiful. And different color.
Yeah. Color बताऊं सब्जियों के? बताओ.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
And the color we are using, ma'am, these are all about vegetable colors. Like green from spinach, yellow
Yes.
from turmeric.
Oh, so these are natural.
Yeah, this all are the natural colors.
Are they color safe? Does it,
The colors for the life, they will never wash out.
they never wash out?
Now what? I show you now what we do
Wow.
when the all the printing get done.
Yep.
We'll to dry the color we just leave in the sunlight.
Yes.
Around 2 days.
Oh.
When the sun oxidizes the colors within 48 hours, all the color get changed like henna. But you are on travel, you cannot stay for 2 days. Let me show you here. We are having mineral salt water. That shows the color will come after 2 days rapidly.
Okay, yep.
The rest is normal water.
Okay.
Thank you. See how the color get changed.
Wow. And this is what it's like from the sunshine.
Yeah, this
From
is
the
what
sun.
the effect. The same effect will be after sunshine.
Wow.
And back
it's-
home, one
you
can
know,
wash it in washing machine up to 40-45 degrees centigrade. Colors never, you see?
Never,
how it's
never
going,
runs.
how it's going to rub it.
Wow.
See, color for the light. And with the same manner we do print all the things.
Amazing.
Like that sheet,
Thank
that
you.
table cloth,
This
scarf,
is so
sari.
good. So good to see. Wow.